Hello, friends. What a day for gold. Looks like we had an absolutely wonderful day. Here is a big momentum hammer. A momentum hammer is when you have a green candlestick showing a big dip and bulls buying that up. This is on the weekly time frame. And what that says to me is that bulls are trying to break out of this nice bull flag type formation that we have here. A lot of momentum inside this candlestick right now, and only one more trading day to go. So lots of exciting action happening right now. Let's go take a look at the daily time frame and we'll get into things. On the daily, there's that big candlestick, big breakout outside our old former zone of resistance. And once we cleared a couple of hurdles, it was absolutely a rocket ship to the upside right now. So what are we looking for at currently on the daily time frame for resistance levels? 1519 is a standout. We got 1, 2, 3 candles wicking up into that area beyond 1519. 1535 is short term, and then 1557. On the downside, we've got this last higher low here, our low of 1481. Below that, 1474, 1459. On the 4-hour time frame, this is where things get fun. So here's that big dip. We get a big flush, a volume climax on this candlestick to 1481. Then we take off, have a little bit of resistance here, and you can see this very clearly on the 5-minute time frame, right against that extreme edge of that zone of resistance. Bulls say, I don't care, we're going anyway. Low volume, we break through, volume picks up, and now we're consolidating because we are very overbought. On the 4-hour time frame, 71.22, our next resistance on this time frame, 15.17, and then we fall back to the daily. So at this point on the 4-hour time frame, we are going to be looking for a lower high on the daily, or on the 4-hour, meaning we've moved very, very quickly. We need to come down, establish some base of support. Now that can take the form of a bull flag like that. It can take the form of an equilibrium, or it can just stay up here and spend more time going sideways, as we have seen gold do many, many times. But the key is right now we need to consolidate. We need to let these RSIs cool off, and then we will be in a better shape to take a crack at that 15.17 level. On the hourly time frame, here we are doing that consolidation. 15.14 is the high that we need to get over, and we also see some resistance on the hourly at 15.13. Our last low was down here at 15.08. If we lose that level, the only hourly support is over at 15.04. Then we fall back into that zone of resistance. It may act as a support level for us, but we don't know until we get there. All in all, a pretty exciting day on gold. Let's see if we can keep this momentum going. But remember, on the 4-hour time frame, we are overbought. We need to see that consolidation, that higher low, some sort of consolidation pattern. And on the hourly, this is what we're talking about. We're overbought. Now we're slowly consolidating. RSI is cooling off with this sideways action. So cooling of the RSIs can take many forms. Let's see what happens tomorrow. All in all, pretty exciting day. Thanks, guys.